Genotoxicity is an ability of the substance to cause toxicity at the gene level. DNA structure can change, its sequence can change, its structure can change, it can cause the mutation as well. The cause can be activation and immaturation of the gene. It can be heredity as well. Problem can occur in DNA, right? And DNA can't able to repair itself. And in fact, it can affect and it can also cause apoptosis. It can be due somatic origin or at the germ cells. Genotoxic test can be performed in order to check and determine the substance or the agent that is caused in genotoxicity or not, and we can say that it can cause or not. Like basically, genotoxicity tests are performed in order to check whether this substance has the ability to cause genotoxicity or not, so that we can determine it before it happens, right? A drug plus gene, if it changes the DNA sequence or point mutation, anything happen. By this we can conclude that yeah, it is a genotoxic substance. Other tests like comet test or single cell gel electrophoresis, in this for drug or substance is checked by number of DNA fragment according to the standard condition. It is done in vivo in the bacteria.